Hello everybody and welcome. In this video, I will show you that how you can get the Crew Motorfest completely for free. And this is a legal way and I will be showing you how you can do this. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, go to any web browser that you use and then here type in the Crew Motorfest. Here you can see the Crew Motorfest. Click on this and you will see a second link which is Epic's Game Store. Click on this Epic Game Store link and here you can see the Crew Motorfest Standard Edition is being sold for $69.9, which is quite expensive. Now if you scroll down, they say try the Crew Motorfest for free for 5 hours with a free trial. Welcome to Motorfest, the ultimate driving experience. Try the Crew Motorfest for free. Grab your tickets for Motorfest and enjoy the game for free for 5 hours. Now if you scroll down, you will see the demo version, the Crew Motorfest trial. Click on this add to cart button and the game is added in your cart. You can see right here, just click on this cart button and you can see the Crew Motorfest trial is added to your cart and you can just buy it for $0. Yeah, that's $0 and it's completely free. So click on this checkout button, click on I agree and then click accept. Here you can see verify your information and click place order. You can see the game is being sold for $0. Just click this place order button and your order will be placed. Here you can see this is a thank you page which says that your order is confirmed and you have got the game for free. You can just click on this download launcher and this will download the Epic Game Launcher and the game on your system and you will be able to play that for completely free. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.